Let me share a real story about famous scientist Sir Isaac Newton's stock market investment. Early 1720, the stock price of South Sea Company starts rising. Newton invests some money, probably on recommendation of some friends who have also invested. In just 3-4 months, stock price doubles. Newton happily sells the stock at very good profit. The stock continues to rise upward, and just in few more days, Newton's friend made much bigger gains as the stock turned multi-bagger. Looking at the fast and continuous rise of stock price, Newton goes all in, buys the stock again at a higher price, but this time in large quantity and invests a huge amount. Stock rises for some more time, but in greed, Newton did not sell. Then the stock price starts falling. For some days it felt normal. Newton still didn't sell and held on in hope of the price recovering again. But then the fall continued with speed, and finally Newton had to exit with huge losses, so much that he was almost broke as he had invested a huge amount of money in greed and held on during the fall in hope. So, five key lessons to learn here. In, Invest in equity shares only if you understand how it works. Do not buy on other people's recommendations. You won't know when they exit. You'll be trapped like Abhimanyu in Mahabharat's Chakravyuh. Always do your own fundamental research to identify the stock and do your own technical analysis to decide when to buy and when to sell. Always have proper risk management in place. Diversification into different companies would have reduced Newton's loss. Emotional intelligence is the key to success in stock market investing. Trade what you see, not what you feel. If Newton did not act under greed or hope, he would not have incurred significant losses. In fact, he may have made some more profit like his first purchase. Finally, do not follow any individual person blindly. Just because someone is good in one domain does not mean he or she will be good in everything. If Mohammad Siraj is a good in bowling, it doesn't mean he'll be a good singer too, right? Newton had high IQ, but surely much lower EQ and not much of financial wisdom. Subscribe to my channel and keep watching for such useful stories and lessons.